Hello students. Now today's topic is pipe and system. Now what is the difference between time and work and pipe and system? The only difference is conventional sign of the work done. For example, if this is the tank which is known as cistern. Now if I am filling the tank with tap A, I am also filling the tank with tap B, but I am taking out the water from the tank with tap C. Now according to me, my work done is to fill the tank, but because of leak or the third tap is removing the water from it. So the convention of the opposite work done is negative. This is the concern which is to be taken care of. This is the only concern. So the same process we will follow as time and work, but with the sign of negative work done. So we'll start with the question. Tap A can fill a tank in 10 hours. Tap B can fill the same tank in 12 hours. Tap C empties. We are just giving empties the tank in 20 hours. If all the three taps are opened simultaneously, how much time they will take to fill the tank? So same rule. A is filling the complete tank. B is filling the complete tank. C alone is emptying the complete tank. So I can take the LCM of these three. So LCM of 10, 12 and 20 is 60. So tap A fills in 1 hour, that is 6 unit or 6 liter, or this is 6 liter. Tap B fills 5 liters. Tap C removes 3 liters. So at the end of 1 hour, what is the total output in the beaker? 6 plus 3 is 6 plus 5, 11 minus 3, 8. 8 liter is filled at the end of 1 hour. So what is the total capacity to be filled? 60 liter. So 60 liter is equal to 8 liter into X hours. So X hours is equal to 60 by 8. This is done the same way. The only difference is we consider it as a negative. Why? Because this is going to empty the tank. Is it clear? Any doubt till now? Remains same. LCM method remains same and we approach in this way. This is the first kind of question they used to ask. Now second, if they are working alternatively, we will go in the same way. If these taps are open and they started working alternatively. Now in alternate case, I can simply go for first hour A will fill, for second hour B will fill, for third hour C will fill. So I will write the timing. Simple ways. A fills in 10 hour, B fills in 12 hour, C empties in 20 hour. Now take again LCM. Solve this in this way. 10, 12, 20. LCM is 60. Now 6 liters, 5 liters, 3 liters. So but 3 liters is in negative because it is emptying the tank. Now for the first hour A will fill, second hour B will fill, third hour C will fill. To solve this question, first find the cyclic work done. Cyclic work done. Cyclic work done means up to what liter, up to what quantity this work is done in cycles. So the basic method to do is cyclic work done is equal to total work done minus positive work done. What is total work done? 60 liter. What is my positive work done? 6 plus 5, that is 11 liter. So 49 liter. Up to this quantity I can go in cycles. Cycle means this value. That the first hour 6 liter will be filled, in second hour 5 liter will be filled, in third hour 3 liters will be removed, in fourth hour 6 liter will be filled, fifth hour 5 liters, sixth hour 3 liter will be removed. So this is the cycle quantity. This repeats again. So up to what extent I will go with the cycle, that is 49 liter. So what is my relative or what is my resultant output in the beaker after 3 hours? That is 11 minus 3, that is 8 liter. So how many such 8 liter pair I need to reach 49? 6. So for 8 liter into 6 sets is equal to 48 liter. Till now done. Till now this process done, which I have written here. This is the cyclic quantity. This is the LCM and this is the cycle value. That 8 liter is done at the end of 3 hours. Now 8 liter is filled in 3 hours. So I took 6 sets of 3 hours. That means what is the time? 6 into 3. 6 sets of 3 hours is equal to 18 hours. So to fill 48 liters, 18 hours done. So in 19th hour, which tap will go? A will go. So in 19th hour, A will go and fill 6 liters. So what quantity done? 48 plus 6. 54. How much left? How much left? Will go in this way. The quantity left till now, after 19th hour, after 19 hours, the tap filled is 54 liters. Till now done. On 20th hour, which tap will go? 20th hour, which tap will go? B will go, B will fill 5 liters. So at the end of 20th hour, what is the quantity there? That is 59 liter. Now again, C will go for 21st hour. C will go and remove 3 liters. So it ends up with 56 liters. Till now done. What quantity of water left now? 56. 56 is there, so 4 liters left. A fills 6 liters per hour. So to fill 4 liter, how much quantity A will take? The statement here is, go in this way. A fills 6 liter in 1 hour. So A fills 1 liter in 1 by 6 hour. So A needs to fill 4 liter. It will take 4 by 6 hours. So 21st hour 56 filled. Now 22nd hour will not be completed because 6 liters to be filled and 56 already done. So 4 left. To fill 4 liters, A will take 4 by 6 hours. So total time is 21 4 by 6 hours in this way. 21 4 by 6 hours to fill in this process. I'll repeat this again. A fills the tank in 10 hours. B fills the tank in 12 hours. C empties the tank in 20 hours. Now they are working alternatively. That means for first hour A will go. For second hour B will go. For third hour C will go. Same. Fourth hour A will go. Fifth hour B will go. Sixth hour C will go. Now, same process, taking the LCM. LCM is 60. A fills 6 liters in 1 hour. B fills 5 liters in 1 hour. C removes 3 liters in 1 hour. So at the end of 3 hours, what is the capacity filled in the tank is 8 liters. So in the next 3 hours, 8 liters will be filled. In next 3 hours, 8 liters will be filled. So, how much time they will take to fill? So we have done the cyclic work done. Up to what extent the cycle will go? Cyclic work done is equal to total work done minus positive work done. So what is the total work done? 60 liter minus 11 liter, that is positive work done. Now 49 liter is the cyclic value. 49 liter is the cyclic value we can achieve. In cycle we can directly jump up to this value. Now 49 liter is to be filled with cycles and 8 liter is the value of each cycle. So it will take 6 sets to reach 48 liter. 8 liter each set, 6 sets, that is 48 liter. Done. Now, each set is of 3 hours. 1 hour to second hour, third hour. So each set is of 3 hours. So 6 set will have taken 18 hours. Done. In 18 hours, 48 liter is done. Now, in 19th hour, A will go to fill. A fill 6 liters. So 48 plus 6, 54 liters after 19th hour. Now in the 20th hour, B will go and fill 5. So 54 plus 5, 59. Still not filled. Now C comes in the 21st hour and removes 3 liters. So 56 liter left. Or 56 liter is there in the beaker. Now 4 liters left. 6 liter is the filling capacity. So if A fills 6 liter in 1 hour, A fills 1 liter in 1 by 6 hour. So A fills 4 liter in 4 by 6 hours. So A will, total process will take 21 4 by 6 hours. Is it clear? So this is the complete process and alternate goes. Do take care of this value. because this is required to find many cases. In the positive work done, we just simply calculated the total work done divided by the cyclic work done, that is answer. And why we have done this? The simple logic behind is we are going for the effective work done. For simple example, if I need to fill the bucket, I will fill the bucket up to the level. I will not fill the extra so that I can remove the extra. No, I will fill up to the extent. That is why we have taken 4 by 6, not the 6. Is it clear? Now, the second question comes under this is, we have done two kinds of question. First, negative work done. Second, we have done alternate work done. Third, we are going to do with the method of by simply saying capacity of the tank. What is the capacity of the tank? Now we will solve this question for simple example. For simple example, read the question and goes in this way. Tap A fills the tank 4 liters per minute. Tap A fills the tank 4 liters per minute, and because of leakage, they have taken 20 minutes more, and the leakage alone can empty the tank. Because of leakage, 20 minutes more, and with leakage alone can fill the tank in, or leakage can empty the tank in 1 hour. So this is the complete question. A fills the tank 4 liters per minute. Because of leakage, 20 minutes more. For the leakage, 1 hour. This is the process. So what is the capacity of the tank? What is the capacity of the tank? Now, my simple concern, filling is positive, emptying is negative. So whatever the work is done by A is positive, whatever the work done by them, if the tap is filled, then the resultant is positive and leakage is in negative. Till now done. So let the total capacity of the tank is X. Let the total capacity of the tank is X. So X is the total capacity of the tank. So how we can do this? Now, leakage takes 20 minutes more and only leakage 1 hour. So in 1 hour, leakage remove X liter. Leakage will remove X liter in 1 hour. So leakage 1 hour will remove X liter capacity. Now A fills 4 liters per minute. So A fills in 1 hour, that is 60 into 24. That is 4 and 18. Sorry, 144. So A fills 144 liter in 1 hour. Leakage removes 1 X liter in 1 hour, and because of leakage, what they have taken? 1 hour 20 minutes. They have filled this much. So leakage plus fill took 1 hour 20 minutes. This is what. So what is the capacity then in 1 hour? X by 120 into 60. Sorry, 80 into 60. This is 1 minute work done, and this is multiplied by 60. So solve it. 3 by 4x. Now done. Now capacity filled, leakage minus filled plus, that is equal to this. Solve for the equation. The equation goes in this way. Leakage is minus. What is the leakage? Minus X liter per hour plus. What is the filling per liter? 144 liter. What is the overall filled? 3 by 4x. Now solve for the X. That is my capacity of the tank. Is it clear? The tank is filled. If the tank is emptied, then this will be negative. This is filled. That is why we have taken that it is as positive. If the water is removed, then we will take it as negative. This is what and how we can find the capacity. I will write the generalized form so that you can easily find it. Now, the generalized form for this is leakage plus filling is equal to filled. Now, convention for leakage is negative, convention for filling is positive, and convention for filled is positive. Done. Second, leakage plus filling is equal to empty. Now simply the tap is open to fill and tap is open to remove. The capacity of the tank per hour or per minute to be removed is more than the filling. Then the tank will be removed. This is what. So negative, positive and again negative. Solve for this. The process remains same. Per hour filling capacity. Everything should be compared in per 1 hour or per unit. This is based on per unit quantity, whether it is removed or filled, so that we can do it. This is the basic question. So I hope till now you got it. Now I'll explain a single question which will help you to solve the last part of this. That is, for simple example, A alone can fill a tank in 10 hours. B can fill the tank in 12 hours. But there is a leakage at the bottom which makes the tank to be filled in 9 hours. In 9 hours, what is the time taken by leakage? What is the time taken by leakage to empty it alone? To empty it alone. So same question. Collectively, in this case, A is working, B is working, C is working to empty it completely. In this case, A 10 hours, B 12 hours, A plus B minus C 9 hours. So complete process, complete process, complete process. What is the LCM for complete this? What is the LCM? 10, 12 and 9. What is the LCM? Prime factorizer 3 into 3 or 3 square. 3 into 2 square. 2 into 5. What is the LCM for this? 3 into 2 into 5. 3 square, 2 square, 5. 10. 10 into 9. 90 into 2. 180. 180 is the LCM. Till done. So A fills 18 liter. B will fills 15 liter. C will fills or removes 20 liter. Till now done. This is the complete. So now we have done with this total capacities. How we, not this is the C. This is not the C, but this is the combination of this. That is A, B, A plus B plus C. So now A plus B minus C is equal to 20 liter. Till now done. A plus B minus C, convention as it is convention, minus C is equal to 20 liter. So A fills 18, B fills 15, C removes X, that is 20 liter, find the value of X. 18 plus 3 and 1, 33 minus 20, 13 liters. A removes 13 liters or leakage removes 13 liter per hour to remove 180 liter. What is the time taken by the leakage? That is 180 upon 13 hours. Till now done. So these are the questions which they used to ask in pipe and cistern. Efficiency rule goes with the same as the time and work, where the efficiency of taps remains same. We can apply accordingly. If says A is twice efficient as B, that means if A fills 18, if B fills 15, A will fill 30. So this is what how we can do it. I hope till now you are done with the pipe and cistern. Thank you.